place as a premium forum for energy-related discussion, and by that I also mean aspects which are related to transition and how to make that transition even more successful. And I count on the support not only of the OMCs, but our private sector and all our technology players in that. I have long been a believer that at the end of the day, success will come not only because government policies should be conducive, which they are, but we are also very modest. If someone tells me, I immediately act on it, go to my those who take the decisions. If there's something more that we need to do to tweak policy in order to make it more productive, we are always open to doing that. But along with government policy comes technology. And this is where this becomes so important. And after that comes the market. Sometimes government policy, technology, and the market would seemingly appear not to be in harmony. But they are. They will have to be. And the market is a great provider. I am not sure that if when I was ambassador to Brazil many, many years ago, and we were trying for 5% biofuels, if somebody had told me then, and because we were not succeeding. Why? Because the ecosystem was not in place. Why was the ecosystem not in place? Because policy was not conducive. I'm not saying the policy was not good, but we could never take the bold decision. Today, when we come to dealing with biofuels or green hydrogen, we are taking decisions which are mind-boggling, which were unheard of or unimaginable, let's say, 20 years ago. I was telling the chair of EIL that today we saw in the technology HPCL electrolyzer. When I was accompanying the Honorable Prime Minister in the last IEW, I saw a BPCL electrolyzer. When our companies are already manufacturing electrolyzers, when the government is providing 19,700 crores in the PLI scheme, and when our discussions take place that we need to do something big, the question is, why don't we cover this by PLI? That shows that both policy, technology, and the market are working together to make this even more successful than it currently is. The message I want to give is that we should use this as an opportunity where energy security, sustainability, and technological innovation go hand in hand. My compliments to CHT and IOCL for organizing this remarkable event, and to all of you who are here in such large numbers for your commitment to a sustainable energy future. I want to congratulate the award winners and the paper presenters for their innovative work. With these words, I declare the 27th Energy Technology Meet open and wish this conference all the success. Thank you very much.